class, Professor Tice here. Today we're going to be discussing data sets and information management and its relation to quality and safety. Let's look a closer look. Data sets and information management directly impact safety and quality of healthcare systems. Data sets within the healthcare network improve consistency, increase efficiency, and allows for data sharing to happen. Data sets capture information about services received and patient encounters within the healthcare network. Data sets help assess the quality of healthcare, including areas of patient care, administration, research, and education. Healthcare databases are most commonly used to assess the quality of healthcare related to diseases or specific healthcare delivery models. The use of data sets allows for healthcare networks to collect accurate data and information. Data sets are used in various areas of healthcare. A few examples listed here are patient registries, provider softwares, hospital EHRs, mobile and data and wearable data sets, medical claims, government healthcare plans. Now we're going to move into information management. Data sets are sort of a subdivision of information management. Information management, what is it? Let's take a closer look. Information management in healthcare. It's the practice of acquiring, analyzing, and protecting digital and traditional healthcare information. Examples that we see in the healthcare world are our EMRs, our EHRs. Also included in information management would be practice management software programs, master patient indexes, patient portals, remote patient monitoring, and clinician decision support. Information management includes utilizing tools and systems to provide high-quality care to patients. Here you can see that health information technology is directly related and used with health information management. The systems that we were talking about earlier are, records, coding, documentation, policies, guidelines, administration, compliances. These all together combined are health informatics. The impact of information management on the quality of care that patients receive in healthcare and in nursing. It improves patient access. It ensures safety of privacy of data. It also meets HIPAA standards. Data mining to improve patient safety. Data mining is basically the practice of examining large databases to make smaller decisions. So data mining, you would collect a large amount of information. It would be analyzed, and then it would help provide information for decisions to be made and generate new information for large health care networks, providers. Information management also directly affects the quality by improving care through improved coordination. Patients can be at home, they can discuss or request refills on medications on a Sunday when places are closed. Examples of this we see all the time through physicians at home. They can review surgical cases for the next day. The anesthesiologist can use the healthcare information systems at home, review all of the cases for their next day instead of being at the hospital. Increasing communication with healthcare staff, improving healthcare literacy, These are some ways that improve the quality of care for patients, and information management allows this to occur. The connection to quality and safety. Quality, defined by the Institute of Medicine, states the degree to which healthcare services increase the likelihood of a desired health outcome. Safety, defined, is a concept that includes all measures and practices taken to preserve life, health, and bodily integrity of individuals. Quality and safety related to information management includes the process of collecting data. This is a very important part. The collection of data, the application of the data collected, the process of which it's translated is important, the analysis of data, and the warehousing of data. How would this be used? The archive data that's collected. Quality and safety in information management. Healthcare information technology, as we discussed, EMRs and EHRs have been developed to promote safer healthcare. As nurses, we utilize these every day to provide safe care to our patients. When we access their records, when we scan patient bracelets prior to giving a medication. The quality, safety, education for nurses has focused on the benefits of informatics in nursing and has implemented nursing competencies to promote safety and quality in patient-centered care. Utilizing EMRs to care for patients promotes safety and consistency with data collection. Along with promoting safety for our patients when we use EMRs or scan patients' bracelets, information management within the systems that we work for can also collect the data what we are doing, when we are doing it, how we're utilizing policies, if we're meeting policies. The Institute of Medicine states that improving health management collection directly improves patient outcomes. Lastly, we're going to take a closer look when we discuss quality and safety within healthcare and as nurses. The collection of this data is a very important discussion that needs to be had. The type of information and the quality of the information that we're collecting to use, to gather, to make better decisions, improve healthcare is an important topic. The methods of collection, the quality of the improvement initiatives, high quality benchmarks, the importance of capturing data, collecting it, and analyzing it. Using the information provided by data sets and information management tools allows for high quality care and safe patient treatment. Adapting practices, benchmarks, and protocols are what we do after collecting this information. Here's an infographic here, the culture of patient-centered quality care that continuously improves, and these are all of the areas that impact that. Examples of the impact of data sets on information management in healthcare. This is a great graphic that I really enjoy. We collect the data, it's recorded. We compile and analyze the data. Reports are created, benchmarks. Regular feedback is provided. This is the knowledge. So we have the data, the information, and the knowledge, and then we use this wisdom to improve healthcare, to help make patients and families safer. This is a brief overview, a closer look at data sets and information. Thanks, class. I hope you have a great day.